How to connect Messenger to Instagram. To do this, you must have your own Facebook account and your Instagram account. Then only you can connect those. So, to connect any Instagram account to the following Facebook account, what you can do is, first of all, go on the Messenger. You can install it from the Google Play Store. And in the space on the top left side, you can see 3 vertical lines. And when you tap on it and go on clicking the gear button, just scroll down unless you see the option of see more in Account Center. Tap on this. And now what you can do is tap on Accounts. And now you will be seeing your account. And you can tap on Add Account if there is more account you want to add. So I click on adding this account right here and click on Continue. And choose the correct information and click on Continue button. And now it has given a lot of things about why you should add and what happens after you finish adding this account to your Messenger account. So if you want to read it, then you can just read it. And after reading it and want to enable this thing, then you can just click on Yes, add this following account. And then you are done. This is how you do it. So yes, I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.